Hello friends, I am back. I am back after a long time about the All India install capacity analysis that I used to do. Today I am going to give data and doing analysis with respect to the September 2023. This is a data that is available at the site of CA that can be downloaded and can be seen. This is about September 2023. You can see there are basically 5 regions in India: northern, western, southern, then eastern, northeastern region, islands, and there are 4 components: thermal, nuclear, hydro, RES, renewable energy sources, M and RE. Thermal again has 4 constituents: coal, lignite, gas, diesels. They all contribute to total installed capacity of thermal part. Then comes nuclear, hydro, RES, and then comes the grand total. The grand total is 425, 406, 4,25,406 megawatt or 425 gigawatt. Out of 425 gigawatts, the contribution of thermal is 239 gigawatts, where the nuclear contribute 7480 megawatt, hydro is 46850 megawatt, and renewable contribute 1.3131 gigawatts. Coming to the next part, if we do the analysis and look at the percentage of various sources of total installed capacity, the percentage of thermal to that total installed capacity is 58.48, whereas the nuclear contribution is 1.65 and hydro is 11.46 and renewable resources contribution is 28.39. When I say renewable energy, it has again some components like small hydro power, wind power, biomass. Biopower has 2 components: biomass and waste to energy, and solar. And total contribution for the month of September 2023 is 131 gigawatts, 1,31,783 megawatt. This is the pie chart depicting the contribution of various sources to that of the total installed capacity: thermal, nuclear, hydro, and renewable. The same is depicted by that pie chart. Now coming to the contribution of various sources of thermal. If we look at the total sources of thermal, the percentage of coal to the total installed capacity is 50.65, whereas for lignite is 1.61 and gas is 6.08 and diesel contributes 0.12 of the total installed capacity. Now the chart depicting the same thing Now coming to the contribution of various sources of renewable energy. The percentage of small hydro power to total installed capacity is 1.21, whereas for the wind power is 10.8, biopower contribute 2.65 and solar contributes 17.56. The various contribution of renewable to that of total installed capacity depicted by that pie chart. These were the overall analysis and data I got from the site of CA. It was for September 2023. The series will continue and analysis will be given the moment I receive that data at the site of CA. Thank you everyone. Thanks for your contribution, for your support. Thank you.